Hey, Ritamon, but never rain. I really don't donate 30 points. But what I saw, they save you. So I'm extremely happy about the game. The game was so challenging, but the boys performed very well.
And then, was this a motivation for the Soweto? For the Soweto team to win the league? Were you playing for Pirates?
I was not playing for Pirates. I was playing for Sundowns and I was playing against Sundowns. I don't know if you get it.
Kubi. In case of Chiefs in this span for Pirates, how do you feel?
Akusispanse Pirates. Ayenzelanga thini Kaizer Chiefs. Wrong lapho. Mina into lengikutshela yona kuthi iChiefs esikolweni mabasifundisa imaths bathi lokwendekala ka right naka left kwendeka. Score sithini la? FNB score besithini? So sola bani? Ngibani lo yenzela omunye? Ngibani oyenzela omunye? Akekho. Into leyikhona ngiyona sithi dla chichi vum vum ligi gone kanje kuthe lokuningi member Chiefs ayenzelanga umuntu 1-1 score FNB Loftus score sithini 1-1 okwenzakala ka right naka left kwenzeka.
And then do you feel like today's result is a far opportunity to win a league?
Nakanjani member? Awu nayi message uyayibona imessage iyasho akusho mina this is my dream yeah ayofezeka maphupho dla chichi vrum ligi gone kanje
Personally, because ke favor Pirates, I'm very happy. Nyaka Sundowns is here, to be honest, but obviously it's a game of football. So the Chiefs sort of capitalized, carried card their Sundowns, but they didn't. But we take a draw because Sundowns are fetaga one game, Pirates has a game in hand, but games in hand are not points in hand. So Machita Akava for Tsantsa no pusha. 3 games they're setting, it's a must meet, it's a must win, all of them.
And then when Chiefs up their game and managed to come back with their draw, how was your feeling? Like how did you
Nekitabile, akanya kubua maka because it's been years there sa win league and Pirates is a laughing stock mabatsong khorartsi league here Arsenal what so hopefully this year it's in our favor because goal difference are dumella so if we can win 3 games ya rona then regardless of other results etla tsamaya rona league.
Studio stay. Rinas. Shalulile. Nabastege. Rapaletse. Next time. Marligi Garen. Pirate I crescelu.
You lost points and then Pirates got eliminated home. How are you gonna make sure that?
Hope ke lebitso la motho.
Hope nna mo Akaria second floor ke Hope and re go botsa gore man coach arena o nye gore disappointa ka mkhwanya kane mara bafana ba le bana le spirit wa khona e bona difference ya ntwe coach ba boditse le ntwe ba e tlalang wa ntshwarane so coach arena o nyaka kitsirire re lose rire.
Happy people ke rato le ba makhosi ke magazine so ga stlwele maki a shota ka letswai a sokola ha ikhona hale bomaki rasizana honya ka letswai wa nkhopela ke hof so ke khopetse at least the draw hore Saturday ke khono namela number 1 ke itse swelele a lo dlala swelele se rometse message go Sundowns sare Pirate ke tlo lirela mmereko ene ka nnete league ya Orlando a re dlala ene ke nyaka fa coach ra squad message Solanga Williams a keepela squad re ka swini Solanga Williams a keepela squad re ka swini.
I feel like a hypocrite because I am not necessarily a Kosi fan. I'm an Orlando Pirates fan, but today I was with Kosi today because I want the league and I want it desperately so. You know, they say neighbors in war support each other. So today, I don't care, but I love them for today. We share a common enemy today. We were sharing a common enemy because they had to either win or draw so that I can have a chance to win the league. And they did the job. So amakhosi emahle ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngibonga umsebenzi okumuhle. Ngibonga your dedication. Yeah, well, the league is going to Soweto. It's going to Orlando.
Vula lejezi lakho le. Vula ijezi lakho. Ayisile lakho lejezi le bakubolekile. Yo lo muntu lona hayi uze ngenye. Hayi beka ready. Uyazi njani? Hayi beka ready. Hayi yona ama results akhe komnandi. Uncle right wona marang right. I didn't lose the game. I lose the game from the referee. We lose the game. Every team in PES said they lose the game from the referees of South Africa. And the referees South Africa, they don't take the responsibility. Always. Mawathi yapeka. Lo muntu lo wona wenza into wrong. Uyangibamba. Makenza into wrong, bamsuspend 2 games. Second game. Lola siyamandla lo referee lona vele. Lebeka chachala. Yabona lo referee uthi makabhisi bofana benyawo bambamba inkunzi le. Angeke imncede. Angithi ngiyazi ngebambulala. Ngizothi bafana. Sasane under yakhe. Lo referee lo. Uye lo mnye ngimbize ngegama. Mara lo ngoba ucacisile lamuhla ukuthi hayi baba ipope sal dance. So akunankingi. Mara overall ayilike sazoba mnandi. Yabona iChiefs ikhohlakele iChiefs. Ungayilalisela amehlo iChiefs uthi ni right because iChiefs yazenzani? Ithi ayikho right idliwe bosuwelele. Hey bayifika la kuwe mfethu. Because mawathi abheka iSundowns after idliwe. Idliwe iSundowns mina can say Sundowns lost. Because after abakhipha uAdams iSundowns lamabhola lawa Adams lalena ku space sakhe he was not there. Yabona makangekho lapha mfethu asilimala sonke. Mara overall I team yami lena mfethu waya ke abiyelo ngiSundowns and ngeke ngiyeke iligi lena ne iyothe Mbombela ithe Orbit eRustenburg Mbombela Rustenburg Mbombela ayichop izoma la ePitori ithi hayi madoda ePitori eMbombela 2-0 yangibona eMbombela 2-0 eOrlando not aziyakhala leso sikhathi danko.
Well done, Kosi. Thank you very much. Rele Buccaneers, and I'm still going to repeat myself. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates for winning the league. Orlando Pirates are the champions. Going back to the game, my brother, it was okay. Somehow it was 50-50. Somewhere they can call it a karate game, but what we saw there, it was a fight. Thanks to Thabiso Munyane, you see number 2 there. He was playing very well. The guy was very good. You come to the midfield. Thanks to the Ox Utseni, Afa, Oomph on the midfield. Sundowns was not there. And then on the attacking side, it's fine. Silva or whoever was not doing fine. So we wanted him to be subbed. And then about Villabai. Villabai was going to this game in win 2-1. It was going to be a clear 2-1. So but congratulations to Orlando Pirates for winning the league.
I'm so disappointed, but it's not the end until the end comes. You know, more Mamelodi Sundowns, more Renamo, Arichuse Marupula Isiame. Remedy fell at the last day. Rita River set up, nothing. This trophy will remain with Mamelodi Sundowns. It will never go to Orlando Pirates camp. It will remain with Mamelodi Sundowns camp. You know, I've got no any fear. Then, and I know Kaizer Chiefs, if I get a Teponyana and Yamahore, at least Baba and the Tepayahore, Bakawi. But the fellow Babata Melemo Haufi, Hebalemo Haufi, Kinagorova Chachufi, Utabona Bagaka winner. Ya we can dinner, Bagasi win. ke a o betšhetsa ba ka se wine tlapa di tšhaba relegation ba keke ba ba e winner ke a o betšhetsa.
We're not expecting this result, man. We're expecting more, man. Hey, we're supposed to win here. You know, all I'm we're supposed to collect those 3 points, man. Yeah, but we didn't manage. It's the game. I want a red card, man. I was disappointed. I was costed the prayer. Kamara, next time.
But I got winning league so far.
Yeah, so far.
The game is still
on. Yeah, the game is still on. As Luzanga. The league is still there. It's promising.
But now Sundowns it really draw. So it means the game is challenging. Ilo yama 71 points. And again, Le Pirates ga win a game ya tswana ka moka 71 points itse ya ke bomang.
You know my brother.
Kajeko ujiwa batho. Kajeko ujiwa. Kalima kala mafakania ka.
We only wanted to show Hugo Bruce. He was there. I saw him. We only wanted to show him that even in Kaizer Chiefs, there are players who deserve to go to USA for the World Cup. You know my brother.
What's wrong?
Football can kill you.
What's wrong?
Emva yazi
Right.
singadliwanga mfowethu yazi yo yabo iShips ifana nentombi kufanele ukuthi uyithembe beba sithembisa ukuthi nje bazosipha ama point nenza njani nisithembisile mfowethu.
It's just that those guys, they fall on the trap that we set before them. We said we are going to donate 3 points for them. It has never happened. So they laughed Orlando Pirates. They didn't know that what we did with Orlando Pirates is coming for them. You see, we were fair. We never beat Orlando Pirates. We didn't even beat Mamelodi Sundowns. We were fair. We only took 1 point each. Exactly. Mathematics.
The only thing I can say, cash sent was sent. That red card, everyone saw that was not a red card. How can you give someone? They found Adams. Cash sent was sent. Cash sent was sent.
See what is coming.